Gotta get my fix in before I leave to Mexico. I ain't gonna have no slots over there. Oh, come on, coin. Stop being a hoe. Wow, really? Wow, you know how many people I've seen get so many re-triggers on this game? And then one time I get a free game, it doesn't give me no re-triggers. There you go. Oh, yes! Come on now. Big money, big money. Come on, give me the major, give me the grand. Come on, give me the major, give me the grand, give me the grand, give me the grand. Pay me, baby, pay me. Major. Stop. Oh, $50. Grand. Stop. Ooh. Major. What are you doing? Oh my God, why did it take forever? Why did it take so long? Yeah, I know. It was so much suspense. It passed the major and grand twice. Okay. Second time the charm. Come on, stop. Not bad.